Hello, my name is Fasaha Sayed. I raise exotic birds. This is my hobby. I'm gonna take you into the cage today to show you the peacocks I have. Okay, here we go. I got two pairs of peacocks and a pair of pheasants. Let's see if they go and open their feathers to show you how they try to impress their females, and sometimes they do try to impress or show off their master. This is one of the pair, and you see this is the male peacock with the long tail and everything, and there's a female over there. And this is the second pair. And I have this red gold pheasant. And that's the female pheasant. Hey buddy, turn around. Turn around, yes. Right there. Right there is good. Right there is good. Alright. Shabash. Shabash. Okay. Good job. Good job. Good. Shake it up. Shake it up. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around here. This way. Come on. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn this way. Come on, buddy. Turn this way.